क्या नाम है आपका?
मेरा नाम दीपक आर्य है।
थोड़ी लाउडर।
मेरा नाम दीपक आर्य है।
कितने दिन हो गए आज क्लास में?
मुझे 2 दिन।
सर ना बिल्कुल ऑनेस्ट ईमानदारी आपसे बिल्कुल नॉर्मल बात करनी है, जैसे आप मेरी रेगुलर क्लास लेते हैं ना, वैसे अभी रेगुलर क्लास ही चल रहा है मेरी। नथिंग इज हैपनिंग न्यू विद यू ऑल, कुछ भी नया नहीं हो रहा आपके साथ। डोंट फील दैट समथिंग इज गोइंग डिफरेंट एंड न्यू विद यू ऑल एंड समथिंग इज गोइंग टू बी रिकॉर्डेड। यू डोंट हैव टू फील राइट व्हाटएवर इज गोइंग इन योर माइंड एंड हार्ट, हाउ डिड यू फील यू हैव टू शेयर। आपको शेयर करनी है। कैसा लग रहा सर क्लास में? आज 2 दिन और दूसरा दिन हो गया ना, आज कैसा लगा आपको?
आज बहुत अच्छा लगा।
मैं थोड़ा स्ट्रिक्ट हूँ क्लास में, डिसिप्लिन फॉलो होना ही चाहिए। डिसिप्लिन मस्ट बी देयर इन माय क्लास। क्या ये सिस्टम सही है गलत है?
बहुत अच्छा है। डिसिप्लिन
बुरा क्या है?
पूरा अगर डिसिप्लिन ना हो तो
थोड़ा तेज बोलिए ना।
ना डिसिप्लिन ना हो तो फिर बच्चे इतना ध्यान नहीं देंगे ना।
तो डिसिप्लिन होने चाहिए। कोई
हमारे लिए भी होना चाहिए।
कुछ गलत नहीं लगा?
नहीं नहीं मुझे नहीं लगा।
एक के लिए होना चाहिए, सबके लिए होना चाहिए।
एक के लिए भी होगा तो सबके लिए होगा।
सबके लिए होना चाहिए ना। यस। क्या नाम है आपका? कैसा लगा आपको? मतलब क्या सीख रही हैं, क्या नहीं सीख रही है, क्या सही लगा, क्या गलत लगा, ये सारी चीज आपको बतानी है अभी। थोड़ी लाउडर एंड क्लियर।
So my overall experience is totally good because Shambhu sir teaches us very well. In my first class and from my first class to today, I feel in myself there are many changes because in my first class I feel very hesitate and I can't speak any words in front of sir. But today I feel I can speak.
लग रहा आपको? बेटा मेरे क्लास में अच्छी बात क्या है, पॉजिटिव पॉइंट्स क्या है और नेगेटिव पॉइंट्स क्या है?
In Shambhu sir classes there is positive that he
आराम से बोलो, नॉर्मल।
make the disciplines in all the students, and if any students have any doubts then he politely explain the each and every students.
नेगेटिव पॉइंट्स क्या है?
So there is no negative points.
बेटा सच बताइए,
Yes, sir.
ईमानदारी बताइए।
Yes, sir.
देयर इज नो रिकॉर्ड, टेल मी दैट व्हाट इज नेगेटिव पॉइंट्स।
So for me you have no any negative points.
थैंक यू सो मच। आप व्हाट यू हैव बीन लर्निंग इन माय क्लास?
I have completed in your class 1 month, and I am learning from first day, which is at first we all learn the newspaper reading. For the newspaper reading, we all got a daily news, and in class we have to present the news, and from this we have the skills that present your thoughts in front of everyone. And after that the sir gives us vocabulary for our advanced English.
बेटा अंग्रेजी के अलावा मुझसे क्या सीखती हैं आप?
Apart from English, the sir taught us personality development, communication skills, hand gestures, and how to express yourself.
Apart from these all things, what you learn from me? Apart from these all things.
Apart from this, in class I learned that how to maintain discipline in the class, and how to enhance your skills, and be confident in front of everyone.
Are you improving really?
Yes sir, I am improving.
You are improving. Great. Yes, Shruti, you are going to share your experience. All things you will share, positive, negative, everything you will share. But honestly, I wouldn't like any simple statement that would be irrelevant. I need honesty from your mouth.
So I have been here from approximately 1 month. I am studying from sir, and
Little louder.
sir had taught me very well. Like he had given me teaching of communication, personality development, English speaking. Yet I am also learning now. trying to learn and trying to grab more things from sir. And I hope in future I can learn many things. And there is no negative points in class, but there is a one personal point I want to tell you, sir, that I love your practicals and really enjoy it. I want if you add some more practicals in your class, like you give us scenarios to be a news reporter, the interviewer, to communicate here with other people. I want that practicals to be more in class.
First Arctic, I'm promising you that you will get hundreds of activities.
Thank you.
You will get that will change your personality completely. That will change. Whatever requirement you feel that should be there in the class for transforming your personality, for transforming and setting your life. You should recommend, right? Nothing is happening new with you right now. Anjali, approx 2, 3, 4 classes you have taken from me.
Yes, sir.
How did you feel? कैसा लगा? Try to speak in Hindi.
मैंने अप्रोक्सीमेट 2-3 क्लासेस
Speak louder.
मैंने लगभग 2 से 3 क्लासेस ही लिए हैं और मुझे अच्छा लगा। जब मैंने फर्स्ट क्लास डेमो ही लिया था सर, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा कि हाँ शायद मैं यहाँ से इंग्लिश सीख के ही जाऊँ।
उम्मीद लग रहा आपको?
हाँ सर,
ईमानदारी
बिल्कुल सर।
लग रहा है कि आप सीख जाएंगे मुझसे।
हाँ सर,
नेगेटिव पॉइंट्स क्या है मेरे भाई?
अभी तक मेरे लिए तो आप कोई नेगेटिव पॉइंट नहीं है जो अभी मुझे नहीं दिखा।
नहीं लगा?
नहीं।
थैंक यू सो मच। यस, कैसा लगा आपको क्लास? If you are able to speak in English, then speak in English. Otherwise, speak in Hindi.
I have to learn in their class new things like
Louder.
grammar rules and how to speak English in front of audience, and how to communicate with others. And मुझे इस क्लास में बाकी बहुत ही कंफर्टेबल फील हुआ क्योंकि मेरे 13 से 14 डेज हो गए मेरे को क्लास लेते हुए, तो मेरे को अपने थोड़ा सा इम्प्रूव मिलता है।
क्या इम्प्रूव कर रही हैं आप?
क्योंकि मैं बिल्कुल इंग्लिश नहीं बोल पाती थी और थोड़ी अब इम्प्रूव हुई है।
क्या इम्प्रूव हो रहा है? इंग्लिश। इंग्लिश के अलावा क्या सीखते हैं आप मेरी क्लास में? कॉन्फिडेंस
बिल्डिंग, पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट एंड स्पीक इंग्लिश।
लग रहा है कि आप इम्प्रूव हो जाएंगे। कितने परसेंट उम्मीद है कि आप इम्प्रूव करके जाएंगे यहाँ से या सीख जाएंगे? आपकी उम्मीद पूरा हो जाएगी। हाउ मच परसेंट डू यू बिलीव? एक्चुअली आई डोंट बिलीव दैट जस्ट यू आर बिलीविंग 100%. Should I believe on your point? Should I believe? Thank you. Ayushi.
I have been learning there for 2 weeks, and there is a very unique experience in this class, because before I have taken lots of spoken classes, but there I had always learned about grammar, but nobody tells how to use in the spoken and in the communication.
बहुत बढ़िया।
But in sir's every class, he used to teach us some concepts, and he randomly used to question to us and used to take practical offers. So this is the very positive point of sir. And the second thing is, if you ask me about what I'm learning there, what I have learned from sir, so the best thing I have learned is boldness. The boldness in my communication. Now I can frequently answer somebody in a bold way. It is a very
Incredible things. It's very incredible things.
It's a very incredible thing. And the second thing is confidence. I'm building my confidence day by day. And the third thing is I'm building my personality. I'm trying to improve myself, and I'm getting the positive feedback by sir, which is helping me to improve me day by day. It is the positive point. And the last thing, the negative points, I don't have any according to my perspective, there is no negative point in sir, because the strictness is very important to learn something. The discipline is very important, and I really appreciate sir's perspectives. So I really respect.
There number of students are there from your page who thinks that I'm very much strict and they don't like. What message you want to give to them?
I don't think sir is strict. The only person who can think our teacher or a mentor is strict when they have no motive to improve themselves. They have an attitude to don't change themselves. They have the attitude why the person is telling us the truth. They are afraid of listening the truth. That is why they give that types of reviews.
Fantastic. It's a very, very much excellent reviews what you gave. I need from everyone, honestly. You should give.
I learned grammar and vocabulary daily, and grammar vocabulary, confidence building and how to communicate with people and to build confidence. So daily sir ask for tell to read newspaper daily, and then he tell ki go to the podium and tell the news. So then we to
Beta, apart from English, what do you learn from me?
so grammar portion, vocabulary, how to build confidence, personality development and
Communication.
communication.
Do you think that means you are improving in my class?
Yes sir.
How?
I think I improve myself because my confidence was fluctuating
Earlier.
earlier.
But now?
Now I improve something. Matlab sometime I don't fluctuating to speak anything in English.
Very good. हाँ बच्चनी. You should speak something about your experience, about your positive points, negative points, everything.
Sir teaches very well. He teaches every day new word, and he teaches grammar portion very well. I like the way sir do practical with us. He gave us topic and told us to speak in front of others. And there is no negative point for the sir. And
Actually, what you are learning here?
I am learning here English, communication skill, personality development, and most important.
Do you believe that you can learn and develop yourself?
Yes, sir.
How?
By speaking in front of others and reading.
So the everybody, हाँ जी बेटा, try to just say here, everybody, what feedback you gave, that was fake or that was true? That was true.